Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a quick Hobby Lobby haul for you guys. As you guys know, I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me, so my friend Brenda, she does me the favor and gets me stuff and ships it to me. So I know you guys had a clearance recently in Hobby Lobby, so she picked up some of the pink dyes for me, and I want to share with you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is this Tim Holtz, is it Tim Holtz? Yeah, Tim Holtz Distress Inks. And these are the colors that I got. This one is Cracked Pistachio, Abandoned Coral, Mermaid Lagoon, and Fossilized Amber. So I don't think I have this pack, so I'm glad to have it now. Let me see if I can, there you go, zoom you guys in better. Then I also got the Distress Crayons, and I've never seen these before. So these are going to be interesting to use, I guess, for like stamps and stuff. So I got those, and they went from like $12.99, you guys, to $3.24, which is a great deal. And these were $10.99 and went down to $2.24. So I got that, and then I picked up two of the dies from Momenta. I got this one with the little rainbow, the stars, the sun, and the moon. And then I got this one, which has like this beautiful little circular like wreath, and it has hello in the middle. This is super cute, and these were like $10 each, and they were down to $2.49. And then you guys, I got this pack of envelopes. I always see Miss Ava Lee using these. I love them. They're so cute, and I cannot wait to play with them and make like a flip book. I love them so much, and they went down from $3.99 to 99 cents, you guys. Super cute. I totally need the mint green ones now. And then I also got the Linda Canassi Thinlits die, and it's these cute little bows. How cute are these? Just the fact that you can make your own little gift bow is so cute. I think I saw Bona make some. They're so cute, you guys. I can't wait to play around with these. It's from Sizzix. Original price $12.99, went down to $3.24. So cute, you guys. And then of course, the last things I want to show you, oops, I dropped one, is a bunch of the pink dyes that I picked up. So cute. Love the color of these dyes. These are by Cutterbee, and this one is the mason jar one. And then we have the little drinks one. So cute. We have the skull head. We have some stars. And then we got the hearts. These are so cute, especially this one back here. I love this one. And then we got some little cute emoji faces. And then the last one is the butterfly one. So cute. Love the colors. I think I have like only, not too many pink dyes. I think they're so cute when they make them in color like that. But yeah, you guys, that is a super quick Hobby Lobby haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If I sound under the weather, it's because I have a total migraine. I've been having it all day. It's just no bueno. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.